Unlock hidden insights from your Asana projects by transforming your task data into powerful Excel spreadsheets. First, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you wish to export. Then, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the Asana window and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Apps tab, scroll down until you find the Export section, and then click on the Download button. This will download a JSON file containing your project data. Now that you've downloaded the JSON file, it's time to import it into Excel. Open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. Go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon, and in the Get and Transform Data section, select from Text, CSV, locate and select the JSON file you downloaded from Asana. Excel's Power Query Editor will open. You may need to transform the JSON data into a table by clicking to Table, then expand the columns to view your project details. You may need to click Load More to see all of your data. Finally, load the transformed data into your Excel worksheet. Now you can analyze your Asana project data, create custom reports, and visualize your project performance. In Excel, you can also perform calculations and manipulate your data further.